Hello everyone, Anurag is here and this is first video tutorial on getting started with Fusion 360. So without wasting time, why not to get started? So as I mentioned before, this is the first video tutorial on Fusion 360, and in this video we are going to talk about what Fusion 360 is and how to install the software in our system. And you can also reach the full playlist by clicking out here in upside, and you can now you can go there and you can visit there and see the whole playlist listed on YouTube. So what Fusion 360 is? Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD/CAM tool for collaborative product development, and Fusion 360 enables exploration and iteration on product ideas and collaboration within a product development team. Basically, Fusion 360 enables fast and easy exploration of design ideas with an integrated concept to production toolset. So without wasting time, now at first we are going to see how to install the Fusion 360 software in the system. So for that, open the Firefox or any web browser you have in your PC or OS. So at first we are going to open the browser, and it will open the Google page for me. And now here I'm going to type download Fusion 360. So there at the top here is an ad, and here is Fusion 360 free software for students and educator. So click on this link particular, and after clicking on this link, it will open a web page of Fusion 360 software by Autodesk team. So you can see this is a page of Fusion 360 supports and learning community, students, and compare, subscribe, free trial. The options are there, and here the United States website is selected in upside. If you live in any other country, you may click here and you can select particular your country and your region. For now, we are not going to change anything right there. And at first, it is showing everything about the Fusion 360, that what you can do with them. You can get a free 3-year education license by Fusion 360, and Fusion 360 is available for Mac OS and PC Windows. It means you can create account, register, and download software provided by them, and you can just design and download the file and design it. You can watch a tutorial. Here is a tutorial series, live and recorded webinars for you guys, and some whatever it is, some demonstration of the particular videos. So at first what we are going to do is, I have existed account, I will sign out for that. Now we will refresh the page. So you can see the page is refreshed now, and here is an option of create account, and also an option of create an account, Autodesk account, already have an account, sign in. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an account. Click on that particular button, and after a second a page will pop up for your country and education role. So get education benefits, country, territory, or region of educational institute. So at first just select your country. In my case it is IN. And education role, if you are a student, select the student. If you are an educator, select the educator. If you are a school IT administrator, click here. Design competition mentor, click there. So I'm a student, I will click here. So date of birth, you can select whatever you want, your date of birth. and by that click on next, saving, and then type your first name to the test, then test, email, and again the email, and then what you need to do is to type your password over here, right? So click there and type your password, and then click on here which is showing I agree to the Autodesk term of use, and click agree and create account. So verification required. Check your inbox and follow the link to the email to the verification for your account. Didn't get an email, already verified, continue. So go to Gmail and verify the account by which you have signed in into the Autodesk Fusion 360. So the Gmail is open. Now we are going to sign in that particular account. Go to there. Right, so next, make sure you click in 3 or 4 years. Your account is now updated to access the Autodesk education community. Then continue. And now your account is created. You can see your profile over here. Test, manage Autodesk Fusion 3 and sign out. So here is your account. You can scroll down for the whole web page. Now the register. Welcome back, test, register your education account with one-click registration. Click here, and then congratulations, download the Fusion 360 and start designing. Then click on download, and another page with Autodesk web development will open. Thank you for downloading Fusion 360 for Windows. And if your download doesn't not begin automatically, please try again. So I will wait for a pop-up message. It says opening Fusion 360 client downloader. You have to choose to open blah 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 blah, save file, and I will wait for it to download. So now the Fusion 360 client has downloaded. I will open the file and I will just paste it on desktop and check whether it is unblocked or not. Yes, unblock it, apply, refresh, and open. So the software is saying that Autodesk application is streaming. So by using this particular provided installer file, you can download the Fusion 360, and I have downloaded the software already in my system, so I'm not going to install it again. And there is no rocket science behind installing the software. You can simply click on download and it will fetch some around 500 or 600 MB of data. So you confirm that you have such amount of data in your internet pack or your connectivity, and then download the software package and install it on your particular drive, and then have fun. So let's take a look about the Fusion 360 user interface for now, and in upcoming videos we will talk about the beginner steps and the workflow and the workspaces on Fusion 360 and every particular module, why it is there and what is the uses of particular that module. So for now, let's open the Fusion 360. It is opening. So the software is now open, and you can see how the workspace and user interface look like in Fusion 360. So here you can see my name, and you can basically log in your particular that account which we have created previously. And you can see Autodesk Fusion 360 education license, and here is some option in the data panel. A demo project, my first project is a project you created previously, and basic training camp samples, design samples, simulation samples, and workshop and events. So if you want to hide this, you can just click over here and you can just view the whole workspace. So basically this is the 3D view of a brake rotor, and you can get the file from basic training, and then you can go any of these options, simulations, and then you can see here is a brake rotor, radiator, gripper arm, connecting rod, plastic table, blah blah blah. So by using these options you can select any 3D model, and here is the 3D view, different 3D views. There is a right view, and here is the 90-degree rotation options, back view, left view, the front view, and the bottom view, and the top view. So if you want to place it again as it was, so just click on this home button and it will take you to something like a isometric view. Here are some options you get to create, modify, symmetry, and utilities, sketch, constructs, inspect, insert, and select options. Basically, and here is some option of importing and exporting, and new file, new design options, save option, and back, undo, and redo options, read only mode, samples cannot be edited, use save as to create a copy. So here is your timeline. When you create a project, it shows what modification you have done with it and how it is modified. So home, the right view, the front view, and the top view, and you can see how cool is look like, right? So we will move it in a home direction, and this is the model. Here is some extrude over here for a particular linkage. You can just delete the extrude, and or you can just redo everything whatever you want. So this was the particular basic introductory and how to install video. For in next video we are going to have a brief introduction and overview about Fusion 360. We will set preferences, and we will get to know what user interface is and some workflow, and we will overview the user interface and also some other shortcuts of the software. Basically you can call them keyboard shortcuts to design fast and efficiently. So thanks for watching the video. You can share the video if you like, and you can, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe below. Thanks for watching.